बाजे रे पिंक चिका निकल पड़ी फैशन की डोली रे पिंक चिका
I probably did a okay job, so it's good. I'm relieved.
See, Hrithik is a fashion icon. I think all boys to girls to kids all love him. And I think the way we are changing footwear, the way we are making footwear more contemporary, more fashion, more color, I think Hrithik is the right fit to bring that youthfulness.
We wanted to set up it in a retail environment. So therefore a set was created which is a replicate of a Liberty outlet. That's what the brief was. It was very clear.
अब हम ऐसे स्टेज पे आ गए हैं कि अब काफ़ी बड़े बड़े काम हमें मिल रहे हैं। ये जो ऐड आप देख रहे हैं जिसका सेट आप देखेंगे मेकिंग में 4 दिन लगे हैं और आप देखेंगे कि ये ऐड में ऋतिक ने जिस तरह से अपना किरदार निभाया है और एजेंसी ने जो क्रिएटिव दिए हैं हमारे लिए तो बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है कि हम ऋतिक के साथ और लिबर्टी के साथ ये ऐड बना रहे हैं।
निकल पड़ी फैशन की डोली रे पिंक चिका झूम झूम नाचो झूम झूम नाचो say you wanna dance the night away झूम झूम नाचो झूम झूम नाचो say you wanna dance the night away.
We have especially done a nice music piece for this film, and here the focus is, see, shoes are obviously being worn in the feet and feet are being associated with dance. So there's a whole new choreography that has been done for this film, and Hrithik has rehearsed for that choreography.
It's a magic reality that we are showing in terms of Hrithik coming alive after dark, and he is like a musical Pied Piper where he creates rhythm and harmony and music in a Liberty showroom.
Take the shot on the first one. After the tak dina din, then
taking roll camera, music.
दिल का रिदम बाजे रे पिंक चिका
बहुत ही अच्छा मौका मिला आज बिकॉज ऋतिक अपने डांस के लिए काफ़ी वेल नोन रहे हैं। एज अ ग्रेट एक्टर ही इज़ अ ग्रेट डांसर ऑल्सो और बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है बिकॉज काफ़ी मेहनत करते हैं, काफ़ी डिटेलिंग में मेहनत करते हैं। तो ऋतिक इज़ वन ऑफ द एक्टर्स जहाँ पे उनके साथ में कुछ करने के लिए भी अच्छा लगता है, एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लिए अच्छा लगता है।
whatever it takes, you know. Liberty says fashion is comfort, so I was comfortable doing anything.
I've done kind of semi-formal look of his with a beautiful jacket, linen shirt, linen trousers. Again, I rolled it up. I wanted to show the shoes, have a little stylishness in the shoes, so no socks. You know, a sense of European fun. One semblance of a formal where we have a grey jacket, a nice t-shirt inside, cargo pants, and our third and last one was a basic hoodie drummer, down to earth, casual but fun colors, poppy colors, so that you know it stands out.
Shoes are very versatile, so we thought of keeping him in the same normal look in all the changes, and I think so Liberty is very suave, very sexy, very sporty, and that really reflects with Hrithik's image. Hrithik really suits the bill, you know, each and every photograph, and he does full justice to each and every photograph.
You know, the way the styling is, the way the whole the mood that we've captured. I think we've got lots of expressions, lots of and a lot of focus on the shoes. I've actually lit up the shoe with a separate light and kind of given it that, you know, so that it stands out along with the persona of the clothes, Hrithik, and the whole expression.
We are trying to make a brand very fashionable and contemporary. So most of the new markets we are planning to target is from the new generation consumer, and we are using both the distribution channels. We are planning to set up a lot of exclusive showrooms in hundreds.
It's always a pleasure when you're working with technicians who know exactly what they're doing and what they want. So they kept me very comfortable. I also got a few compliments, so it's been a good day. 43. Anything with chappals, something with laces, you know, because I like to be physical, very active, so I could get up and want to run, so it's nice to have the laces on. No particular color. I'm very bad with that. I'm very bad with, like, you know, fashion and colors and, you know, what goes with what. I just wear anything.